Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to enable the HTTPS for your WordPress site on Bluehost. First, as you see, this is my website called simplesiteschool.com, and as you see, it is not secured. To enable HTTPS for this website, simply log into your Bluehost account, and from this hosting page, click on this cPanel button to directly log into your cPanel page. And from this cPanel page, scroll down to security, this is it, and below it click on SSL TLS. Here on this corner you will see install and manage SSL for your site. Below it click on manage SSL sites. Scroll down again. Here you will see the available or the websites added to your hosting plan with HTTPS enabled. Now scroll down to install an SSL website, and from domain select your site from this list. This is my site, simplesiteschool.com. Select it like this. After your selection, you will see this blue button will appear. Click on autofill by domain. Once a little bit of this data is added or inserted here or autofilled here, scroll down again and click on install certificate. As you see, you have successfully configured SSL. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you see, you have successfully configured SSL. Now click on this OK button to close this window. And let's scroll down here on this list. I am looking for my website, and as you see, my simple site school started using or got this green log icon. Now let's return to my website and hit refresh. And if I type S, or if I add S after HTTP and hit enter, my website will start using HTTPS. And this is how to, if after adding S after HTTP, your website is still forced to just the HTTP, just give it a little bit of time. Sometimes this certificate installation takes around 10 minutes. So here is just be patient. And this is how to enable HTTPS for a WordPress site on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.